Okay, this is my first print using PolyTerra from Polymaker. You can see a little bit of layer lining there. It looks actually better by the naked eye. This is printed in 3 parts and put together. This is a 50% scale for one very small part of the rocket that I'm designing for my son, Alexander. I love this finish. And I did buy some Proto Pasta matte filament, but that's kind of expensive. This is $20 for a kilogram versus $25 for 500 grams, I think. And it's meant to be a bit more ductile, so the kids' toys should be a lot better. And I printed it on the new PI bed. No problems there. Let's have a look at the bottom here. It's pretty good.